Here at Charles Patterson Enterprises, Inc., we manage properties for community associations as well as individual investors. We are a full-service real estate management, sales, and finance company. Hi, my name is Charles Patterson, and I'm the president of Charles Patterson Enterprises, Inc. We facilitate the buying and selling process for potential and existing homeowners and investors. We also assist potential buyers and homeowners with their home loan needs.
We're in a great market to buy property again, and Patterson Lending Group has all the loan programs that will get you into your home.
Customers should choose our business because we provide outstanding service.
Our rates are very competitive, our service is personalized, and our clients always come first. We're the no-problem mortgage company.
My wife and I were looking for the perfect house, and thanks to Charles Patterson Enterprises, Inc., we found the awesome house.
I was so impressed with the office and the people working there. They were very professional, very patient. We were able to actually get into this place in such a timely fashion, and we just are so happy. Thank you.
Thank you.
We listen to our clients' needs and wants, and then do our best to make their homeownership dreams a reality.
I started this business because I have a love for working with people in the real estate and property management community. We're best known for our top sales in the Southeast Florida real estate market. I have personally received numerous accolades in the past for being the best producer. In property management business, we have many instances where we have gone above and beyond the call of duty. This is because understanding the needs of my customers is my highest priority. I will find a solution for them. Please visit our website, cpenterprisesinc.net, to access the portals for all of our different real estate and finance divisions. You can also view homes and properties that will fit your needs. Charles Patterson Enterprise, Inc., the No Problem Real Estate Corporation.